Have you ever dreamed of waking up one morning and realizing you don't have to work anymore? Not because you won the lottery, not because someone handed you a fortune, but because you made smart decisions. You built systems. You took control of your money. That's what financial freedom really means, that it's not about being rich. It's about having choices. It's about saying yes to what matters and no to what drains you without worrying about money. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can achieve financial freedom before the age of 40. Even if you're starting late, even if you've made mistakes, and even if you're living paycheck to paycheck right now, we'll cover the mindset you need, the strategies that actually work, real-life systems that grow your wealth, and habits that separate the financially free from the financially stuck. Stay with me until the end, because the final section might just be the thing that changes your entire financial future. What would financial freedom look like for you personally, and why do you want it? Part 1. Understanding financial freedom. Let's start by defining what financial freedom really means and what it doesn't. It's not about living in a mansion with 7 cars. It's not about never working again. It's about being able to cover your expenses through passive income, so that working becomes a choice, not a necessity. Types of financial freedom. Baseline freedom. Your bills are paid by passive income or savings. Comfortable freedom. You have enough for travel, hobbies, and emergencies. Absolute freedom. You can stop working forever and never run out of money. Which level of financial freedom are you aiming for? Baseline, comfortable, or absolute? Part 2. The mindset shift. Financial freedom starts in the mind, not in the wallet. Here's what people who achieve it early believe. Money is a tool, not a goal. Time is more valuable than dollars. Sacrifice today builds freedom tomorrow. Every dollar must have a job. These people don't chase luxury, they chase options. They understand the power of compound interest, delayed gratification, and investing in themselves. What's one belief about money that you think is holding you back? And how could you replace it? Part 3. The power of budgeting and intentional spending. You can't grow wealth if you don't know where your money is going. Here's how to fix that. Track everything. Use tools like Mint, Inab, or just a spreadsheet. Create a plan. The 50/30/20 rule, zero-based budgeting, or value-based spending. Audit subscriptions and leaks. Small, recurring charges can destroy your savings. Intentional spending. Ask, does this align with my freedom goals? This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about empowering yourself to spend in ways that bring real value. When was the last time you reviewed your monthly spending? And did anything surprise you? Part 4. Mastering your income. Saving is important, but you can't shrink your way to wealth. You have to grow your income. Here's how. Negotiate your salary. Most people leave money on the table. Develop high-income skills, sales, copywriting, tech, consulting, side hustles, freelancing, print-on-demand, affiliate marketing. Multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one paycheck. Remember, every extra dollar is a soldier in your army of financial freedom. What's one way you could increase your income this year? Even if it's just an extra $100 per month. Part 5. Destroying debt strategically. Debt is the #1 killer of financial freedom. But not all debt is created equal. 2 main strategies. Debt snowball. Pay off smallest debt first for momentum. Debt avalanche. Pay off highest interest first for efficiency. Also, negotiate interest rates. Refinance smartly. Avoid lifestyle creep after paying debt. Freedom means not owing anyone anything. Are you currently paying down debt? And which strategy do you think works best for your personality? Part 6. Investing early and consistently. If you're not investing, you're falling behind, even if you're saving. Here's what to focus on. Index funds versus individual stocks. Dollar cost averaging. The power of compounding. Let's break this down simply and walk through examples of how even small monthly investments can grow into 6 or 7 figures. Are you currently investing? And if not, what's holding you back from starting? Part 7. Building passive income streams. Financial freedom before 40 requires money that works without your time. Passive income ideas, rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, YouTube channels or digital products, online courses, royalties from creative work. Start small, automate, and reinvest. Which passive income idea sounds most appealing to you, and why? Part 8. Protecting your freedom with insurance and emergency funds. One emergency can wipe out years of progress. Build a strong defense. 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Health, life, and disability insurance. Wills and estate planning. Identity theft protection. Freedom without protection is an illusion. If an emergency hit tomorrow, would you be financially prepared? Part 9. The role of minimalism and lifestyle design. People who reach financial freedom early live differently. They lie below their means. Focus on experiences over things. Avoid keeping up with the Joneses. Design a life around purpose, not just paychecks. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being intentional. What's one thing you could cut from your life that wouldn't affect your happiness? Part 10. Staying consistent for the long game. Reaching financial freedom takes time. You will face setbacks. You'll get impatient. But here's the truth. Most people overestimate what they can do in a year and underestimate what they can do in 10. You just need to keep showing up. Every month, every year. Question to audience. What's one small step you can take this week that brings you closer to your freedom goal? So what do we learn? Financial freedom before 40 is not a fantasy. It's a formula. It's about shifting your mindset, budgeting intentionally, growing your income, crushing your debt, investing wisely, building passive income, protecting your wealth, living intentionally, and staying consistent. You don't need to be a financial genius. You just need to start and stick with it. And if you got value from this video, do me a favor. Like this video. It helps more people find this information. Subscribe to InvestoSphere because every week we dive into topics that help you build real wealth, no fluff. Comment below, what's one thing you're going to start doing today to move toward financial freedom? Remember, freedom isn't found in a paycheck, that it's built one smart decision at a time. And your time starts now.